Hello, I'm Dr. Archana Daftardar, nephrologist at Renova Hospital, Kompalli. Today I'm going to talk about the renal replacement therapy. So let us understand what is renal replacement therapy. As the name suggests, renal means kidney. Replacement means replacing the function or of the kidney or the functioning alike kidney, that is replacement, and therapy is the treatment. So that means there is some treatment which behaves like kidney function in our body. So this is called as renal replacement therapy. So why is it needed? Let's see that. When our kidneys normally function, what they do is they excrete the extra water from the body, excessive salt or the other minerals, and the electrolyte balance is achieved by the kidney. At the same time, the waste material which is formed by different metabolisms in our body are removed by the filtration from this kidney. So these are the basic important functions of the kidney. There are other functions which are performed by the kidney, like balancing the calcium and phosphorus metabolism in the body, as well as helping in formation of the hemoglobin in the body. So when the kidney fails, the body is deprived of all these functions. So we need to supplement or we replace this kidney functions by doing other treatment. So that is where the renal replacement therapy comes into the picture. So let's see what are the different modalities of this kidney replacement therapy or renal replacement therapy. So there are like dialysis. You must have heard this word many times in the community, that is dialysis. So dialysis is one of the modalities of the kidney replacement therapy, as well as kidney transplantation. So when the kidneys don't function, we give to the patient something like dialysis, or the kidney is replaced or the new kidney is placed in the body. So we will discuss these things in detail as we proceed. So broadly speaking, when the kidneys stop functioning, there are different scenarios. Broadly speaking, there is something called as acute kidney failure or acute kidney injury and chronic kidney disease. So these are the broad ways where we can classify the kidney dysfunction. Acute kidney injury or acute renal failure means there are certain causes which can lead to sudden kidney failure. So sudden kidney failure can happen because of severe dehydration, infection. There are something called as glomerulonephritis. There is something called as obstructive renal diseases. So these are the different reasons. So the doctor will be evaluating for these reasons when the diagnosis of acute renal failure is made. So not all acute renal failure patients require kidney replacement therapy or renal replacement therapy, that is in the form of usually dialysis. This is because whenever the kidneys stop functioning, even for the temporary time period, it has to be supplemented by the other artificial way. So there is another broad classification. What we talk about is the chronic kidney disease. There are different stages of chronic kidney disease. As the name suggests, chronic means over a longer period of time. So any disease which is affecting kidneys over a longer period of time, usually more than 3 months, and gradually the kidney function is lost over a period of time from months to years. In this scenario, the disease progress from stage 1 till stage 5, gradually the function is lost. So usually when the function is lost for more than 95%, then the kidneys may require kidney replacement therapy or renal replacement therapy. So at this stage, we call it as kidney CKD stage 5. So stage 5 means the filtration capacity of the kidneys is lost very significantly, and the waste material or the extra fluid in the body cannot be removed by the native kidneys. Then we have to supplement or support this patient with the modalities of renal replacement therapy. Mind you, not all the functions of kidneys can be replaced by renal replacement therapy. Like, though the kidneys function, as we learnt about the kidney functions, the formation of hemoglobin cannot be replaced by dialysis, as well as the removal of the very there are multiple kinds of waste material in the body. Not all can be removed by the dialysis, but the important ones and the important electrolytes or the fluid, these are the important one which can have an impact on survival, and that can be balanced by these dialysis or the renal replacement therapy modalities. So in our next topic, we will see what are these kidney replacement therapies. Thank you.